Apple boosts U.S. manufacturing through new partnerships, Apple is significantly expanding its U.S.-based manufacturing operations, partnering with 4 key companies: Bosch, Cirrus Logic, TDK, and Qnity Electronics to produce essential components for its global product line. This move is part of a broader $600 billion investment announced last year, designed to create jobs and establish new factory production across 10 states over the next 4 years. Strategic expansion and investment details: the company will invest approximately $400 million by 2030, funneling resources into domestic production of materials and components like sensors and integrated circuits. This expansion isn't just about production volume. It's a strategic realignment driven by changing economic and political pressures. TDK will focus on manufacturing sensors for Apple's products. Bosch will collaborate with Apple and TSMC, Taiwan's semiconductor manufacturing company, to produce integrated circuits in Washington state. Cirrus Logic will work with Apple and Global Foundries to develop advanced semiconductor technologies in New York. Qnity will partner with HD Microsystems on materials for semiconductors and other electronics. The shift away from global dependence: this initiative is directly linked to the U.S. government's push for domestic manufacturing, including tariffs and restrictions imposed on foreign-made products during the Trump administration. While Apple hasn't abandoned global supply chains entirely, fully manufacturing an iPhone domestically remains impractical due to cost and infrastructure limitations. This shift represents a calculated response to trade tensions and the rising costs of international production. The Mac Mini will soon be assembled in Houston, Texas, as one concrete example of this transition. However, the limitations of relying solely on US-made components are clear. Even Trump Mobile, a product initially marketed as made in the US, quickly dropped that claim after launch due to logistical realities. Partnership highlights: Bosch confirmed that integrated circuits for sensing hardware would be manufactured in Camas, Washington, as part of this collaboration. Cirrus Logic, with Apple as its largest customer, stated the partnership would drive content expansion into new product areas. This move is not merely about compliance. It's a calculated restructuring of Apple's supply chain to mitigate risks and align with evolving geopolitical and economic realities. Ultimately, Apple's expansion of U.S. manufacturing represents a pragmatic adaptation to a changing global landscape, ensuring resilience and greater control over a critical part of its supply chain.